Good evening. Now, the progress of southwest monsoon as on today. You are aware of yesterday, 3rd June, India Meteorological Department has declared onset of monsoon 2021 over Kerala. So today, 4th June, the monsoon 2021 has made further progress, and a northern limit is passing through 14 degree north, 60 degree east, 14.5 degree north, 70 degree east, then Karwar, Harappanahalli in Vijayanagaram district, Anantapur, Aragyavaram, Vellore, Nagapattinam, then 12 degree north, 83 degree east, 15 degree north, 89 degree east, and 18.5 degree north, 94 degree east. So, in the southern part of this northern limit, monsoon is active. Now, what would be its progress in coming 72 hours? Whether it is likely to reach over Maharashtra or not. So for our state, you are aware of that 7th of June is date of onset over extreme southern part of the state, and full state is covered by around 15th of June. That is the normal date. So this time it has seen that offshore trough is active from South Maharashtra to South Kerala of coastline area. So under influence of this, Konkan, Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, and especially southern part of our state is likely to get fairly widespread to widespread rain. And along with that, it is expected that by 6th or 7th of June, monsoon onset may take place in southern part of Maharashtra, including Goa, Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg, Kolhapur, Sangli, Satara districts, even to the southern part of Pune district. And then it is seen that as our forecast is also suggesting that after 6th, 7th, monsoon activity in our state would be subdued, and again it will revive maybe 11th June onward. And then it is expected our extended range forecast is suggesting that 11th to 17th June period, our state, especially Konkan, Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, areas of Marathwada, likely to get good rainfall. And our medium range forecast is also suggesting that around 12th, 13th June, monsoon onset may take place over Pune as well as Mumbai. Now coming to weather of Maharashtra. As I said, that offshore trough is currently active, may be active for next 48 hours, and westerly wind is coming over Konkan region, orography of Sahyadri range. So as a result, next 72 hours, Konkan, Goa, Madhya Maharashtra is likely to get fairly widespread to widespread rain. Even Marathwada also, some areas today likely to get fairly widespread rain. Means spread wise it would be good enough. And then after 72 hours slowly, rainfall activity will reduce. And for Vidarbha, rainfall activity would be mostly light rain. For Konkan, Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, it would be light to moderate rain with isolated heavy rain in some districts. Now, districts of Thane, Raigad, Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg, 5th and 6th June, today and tomorrow, likely to get isolated heavy rain. So that warning we have already given. And Pune, Kolhapur, Satara, Sangli districts, Ghat areas especially, we have given warning for isolated heavy rain in 1-2 places. Now coming to weather of Mumbai, today, tomorrow, there will be chance of thundery activity, lightning, and time to time maybe moderately strong wind. Over the state, even current 48 hours, there is chance of thundery activity, lightning, and gusty wind. Coming to forecast of Pune. So 4th, 5th, 6th June, it would be light to moderate rainfall activity. Today in Ghat areas, we have given isolated chance of heavy rain. Then rainfall activity over Pune district, Pune city will slowly reduce from 7th June onward till 9th June. 10th onward, there will be again slowly gradual rise in rainfall activity. And as I said, around 12th, 13th, 14th, that period, it is expected monsoon rainfall may start over Pune district, Pune city. Thank you.